ChaosRadio. Today we are fitting quick release bumper pins, a short shift kit and a few other little bits to Leon. So hope you enjoy. So I've just taken the bumper off because we need to refit it properly for when we come to fit the quick release pins. So I thought I'd just show you the intercooler, so I don't think I showed you properly in the previous video. So here is the oversized intercooler. It is 12 inches in height, 24 inches in width and 3 inches in depth. And also, as you can see, all the piping we had to custom make really on the passenger side, just so we can fit it into the piping here to go into the throttle body. So let's go off on a quick little excursion. I keep yeeting camera on the screen. So we're just going off on a little excursion to go get some nice nuts and bolts for our trailer. So I'll see you there. Beast. So we've arrived at Group Components, so I'll take you a little walk around shop.
I'm only wearing my hat. All you care about is money. This town deserves a better class.
So we've got everything we need now, again from Group Components. I'll stick their phone number and their website down below here. So back to the Leon. Back at the Leon now. About 3 hours later.
Yeah.
So now we're fitting the quick release bumper pins. This is the ones that we're using here. They're EXO Racing. To be honest, we got them from eBay. But they're a great little addition and modification to do to your car.
How much were they again? They were like 12 quid or something a pack?
Yeah, £12 each.
Well, pretty cheap.
We bought two. A lot of people use them just for the looks of them really, but we've actually got a function behind these ones. So as James said, we bought 2 packs simply because we're going to remove the OEM brackets just so there's a bit more sturdiness in the pins. So what he's doing now is just marking up where the pins are actually going to go. So
I've got to drill through metal, which is always horrible. So I'm just drilling pilot holes first, just especially for the metal, just so I've got a pre-made hole basically to go through to start with, rather than a big drill bit and slipping and sliding and scratching paint, which yeah,
you don't want to do that. Obviously as well, before we done this, we did make sure there's no wiring loom behind here. You don't want to start drilling through wiring looms because you'll know about it very quickly if you get a shot. But
I'll be alright, there's no battery. It won't work.
It's
after,
true, actually, yeah.
But
you won't know until it's a bit too late. You have to go to start the car up and nothing will happen.
Bigger drill bit, just to now finish it off. It's the worst feeling.
Really? What?
Oh.
It's the noise it makes.
Do it again. One more time.
So,
yeah. I don't actually know where I put the other one.
Still over here, isn't it?
Nope. Ah, I'll find it.
So instead of you watching all this, once this side and this side's on, I'll catch up with you then. So the front bumper's done, the quick release pins are now on. I'll show you around quickly. So the pins are on. Actually really happy with how they look and how they came out. Because they weren't the most expensive ones, I was a bit worried about the sort of the quality of it, if you can say that, sort of like the flimsiness, but they're actually really sturdy and they look really good on the car. So now we are fitting the quick shift kit. So let me just take you inside the engine bay and I'll show you what you have to do. So you got me inside the engine bay. We've taken the oil catch can off here. That's the shifter just down there. Now you've got one clip and a nut there. So on the left is the first one that you undo. With the little flathead screwdriver, just pop it off. It is spring loaded, so just be careful as you pop it off, as it can ping off into the engine bay and you'll end up spending 10-20 minutes trying to find it. This here is a 13mm bolt there. Now as you're trying to undo it, it may shift into gear. Best thing to do is just loosen it up and then finger tight it, put it back in neutral, and then you'll be safe to take it off. So we'll take that off now and I'll show you the new one. So the old one is now off, just to give you a quick sort of essentially side by side comparison. This is the new one on top and this is the old one underneath. So already, as you can see from there, it is slightly smaller to begin with. As you can see why we're upgrading as well. It's always nice to have new parts. What's good with this one as well, you see it's got the adjustability there. On this side, this bolt here is obviously fixed, so you can't move that. So all the way to the left on the new short shift gives it the longest throw. All the way to the right gives it the shortest throw on the gearbox. So you've got to find a nice little happy medium and to what you're happy with as well. Let's get to installing the new one. Right, so new short shift kit is on down there, as you can see. We've currently got it set to the shortest throw, and we did just double check, and it actually feels really, really nice. It's not too notchy, and yeah, it's not too notchy. Feels really nice as well, but we'll see if we still like it when we come to do our track day. So a few other little bits to go on the car. Got a new gear knob to go on. This is the new one. This is the old one. It's a nice gear knob, but this one just looks and feels better. So,
as always, he gets all the easy jobs.
Yep. First thing to do is just find the best adapter and the correct adapter. Stick on here. Take a mallet and gently tap it on. Yeah, that's what that looks like.
Don't over tighten it like I did last time and crack it.
Yeah, where is the other adapter actually?
Well, you threw it at me, so I threw it.
This is true. If I can find it, I'll show you the other adapter. So I'll leave that like that for now. Let's just come in tight there. So leave it like that. So just a small little addition, and it just, because of, obviously we've installed the short shift now, actually it makes it feel that much shorter as well. So good little addition. Right, so of all the things we've done on the car today, this in my books is the most important one. So as you can see in the engine bay, all important dipstick change. Old one, thank you. I will stick that one there. Look at that, not broken.
And for free.
And free, yes. There we go. She's in. So there we have it, another day done on the Leon. Just to recap, we've now installed new quick release bumper fittings, short shifter tested and fitted, a new gear knob, and the all important oil dipstick. Don't forget, if you did enjoy it, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.